Today I'm sharing 3 delicious cookie recipes that you can prepare for your loved ones over the holidays. And here's how to make them. Melt the butter in a pot and cook for about 10 minutes until it changes color and becomes dark. This is crucial for getting a better taste of your cookies. Leave the brown butter to cool in a mixing bowl. Then add the brown sugar, white sugar, egg yolk, and vanilla extract or vanilla sugar. Stir until combined. And then add the flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Using a spatula, stir gently and add the chocolate chips. Stir until the mixture is completely combined. Be careful not to overmix it. Put the mixture in the fridge to harden for about 30 to 40 minutes, or overnight is even better. Using an ice cream scoop, shape the cookies and place them into a baking pan lined with a baking paper. Make sure there is some space between them so they will rise during baking. If you want, you can sprinkle some sea salt crystals on some of the cookies for an even more refined taste. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the ends of each cookie starts to turn golden brown. Allow to cool for about 20 minutes and serve. Chocolate chip cookies go well with a cup of milk, or serve them as a snack during the day when you crave something sweet. Put the butter, vanilla sugar, and powdered sugar in a deep bowl and mix with a spatula. Add the egg and stir until combined. Add the flour, ground almonds, salt, and cinnamon. Mix until you get a dough. Wrap the dough in a plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge to harden overnight. Roll the dough into a 3 mm thin sheet on a floured work surface. Using different sized cookie cutters, cut pieces of the dough and transfer them to a baking pan lined with a baking paper. Leave the cookies in a cool place for about 10 minutes, then bake in a preheated oven at 160 Celsius degrees for about 15 minutes or until the ends of each cookie get a golden brown color. Allow to cool completely and add some filling on each cookie. You can use any kind of jam or chocolate spread. Today I decided to use an apricot jam. Decorate the smaller cookies with powdered sugar and put on top of the cookies coated with jam. Serve Linzer cookies with your favorite cup of coffee or tea and enjoy their elegant taste during the holidays. Put the flour, baking soda, ground ginger, and ground cinnamon in a bowl. Mix and set aside. Put the butter, pudding powder, and sugar in another bowl. Whisk with the mixture until it gets frothy. Add the egg and vanilla and whisk until combined. Add the dry ingredients and stir until the whole mixture is combined into a soft dough. Wrap the dough in a plastic wrap and leave it into the fridge to harden for about 1 hour. Roll the dough into a 3 mm thin sheet on a floured working surface and using a cookie cutters, cut pieces of the dough and transfer them to a baking pan lined with a baking paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 190 Celsius degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Allow to cool completely. To prepare the glaze, put the powdered sugar and egg whites into a bowl. Stir well until combined. Divide the mixture into several bowls depending on how many different colors you plan to make. Add the food coloring to each of the bowls and stir. The consistency should be like lava, not too thin, not too thick. Transfer to piping bags and decorate the cookies to your liking. Cookies should be allowed to dry completely before serving. I hope you will give these cookies a try and let me know how they turn out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking, until the next time.